and welcome back to my channel. For today's video,
Ibang part.
ang ganap natin ngayon ay kakanta tayo.
Hindi maghanap.
So, ito kami sa may PICC. Kasi
Wala
today
namang
is
parking.
ating...
Diba? Namatay ng parking
Oh,
natin.
Becky!
Nagpa-parking na yan.
Guys, update. Naliligo na ako.
Kasama po ako sa vlog.
Naliligo na, kilala niyo ba to? Naliligo na kami, oh. Pawis. Kung inayos ko kanina, wala rin. Tapos, ewan ko. Mas gusto ko pang umatras ng pila para sa aircon. Hindi nakakatuwa ang panahon ngayon. Tapos may isa akong kasama. Ito kilala niyo to. Kung nanonood ka man ngayon.
Dito sa sarili ko yan, siguro mga after 1 week from now, pinaparod mo na to.
Diba? Wala. Update na lang. Meron pa ako isang kasama, nasa likod siya. Kaso, masyado na magulo sa loob. Tsaka, ewan ko, may parang guard dyan. Hindi na namin siya mapasingit. Pero anyway, ito yung aming outfit check.
Yun.
Ayun, outfit check. Hey!
Bawal pala mag-bad shit. Bakit labas to?
Agit ka nung iba eh, nung suot nila. Ako ano lang. Simple lang. Oh!
Ganun mo nakita ng Amerikana eh.
Oo, kasi pwede yun.
Ba't ka na no? Sino na pauso ng barong?
Oo nga eh, kapag sinabi mo formal, ang una mo maiisip yung coat, di ba?
Oo. Tapos, pero naging mutual understanding na yung magbarong.
Oo. Pero nasa banda unahan kami. Dami tao guys. Nakakaya. Dami tao. Ha? Hindi. Kaya pakita ko sila. Daming tao. Hanapin natin yung pangalan.
Soren Kierkegaard said, "Life can only be understood in retrospect." He couldn't be any more precise, for truly, we can only understand who we are and what we have become if we look back. Cebu Institute of Technology University. Our seventh placer, Engineer James Russell Yabot Osorio, Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Santa Mesa. Our sixth placer, Engineer Francis Angelo De La Rue, the Chairperson, PRC, Professional Regulatory Board of Civil Engineering. Please welcome Honorable Praxedes P. Bernardo.
Kasi na yung bias.
As you lead and live your life forward, today's oath-taking rites will become a thing of the past and become a part of your storehouse of memories. Today, you are investing in the memory of a solemn oath, for you to be reminded and for you to remember by.
You give them a royal wave. And you say to them, thank you. So ladies and gentlemen, why and how these new engineers came into existence, it's about you, and it's because of you. Let's give your parents and all those, your loved ones, a big round of applause.
Okay, please raise your right hand. I Bakit bumubulong? Of bumubulong pa rin.
At school pala yung ano.
That I will support
And defend
and defend
the Constitution
the Constitution
of the Republic of the Philippines,
of the Republic of the Philippines,
generally accepted
generally accepted
by the civil engineering profession
by the civil engineering profession
in the Philippines,
in the Philippines, a legally authorized
civil engineer practitioner.
civil engineer practitioner.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations. Yes, your parents? Papa, Mama, hindi na ako hihingi ng allowance.
Ayun lang.
Papa, Mama,
May ka lang.
hindi na ako. Perhaps these are not the questions in your mind. Eh ano ngayon? What next? What will I do? Will I work right away or will I study more? So 10 examinees were caught using the tampered calculators. Consequently, the board issued a new resolution to ban or to delist again this specific calculator for use beginning this June 16 to 17 special licensure examinations to be held in Singapore and in the Middle East. Sa civil engineering exam lang po ito nangyayari. Nainggit na naman ako. Ladies, he is an eligible bachelor.
Board members, please welcome Dr. Romeo Estañaro, member, Professional Regulatory Board of Civil Engineering.
In behalf of my colleagues, I would like to thank the parents most especially. I won't forget my own parents who supported me in my education despite being immersed in poverty, just to bring me to a higher educational institution.
Your goal is to be the best version of yourself. Be the best engineers as you can possibly be. Let's make your families proud, the PRC proud, and the whole Philippines proud. Mabuhay kayo! This has been Jun Sahadas, your program anchor person, saying on behalf of the board, thank you, congratulations, and good luck. Please stand for the exit of colors.
Upo na po. Engineer, upo na po.
Lights, camera.
Kayo na po.
A few inches later.
Oh, sino ka dyan? Lagi photograph eh. Wait lang, hindi ko pa kayo nasusamang dalawa. Hello!
Ay, video ba yan?
Congrats!
Engineer na kami.
Oh!
Easy.
Galing ba sila guys?
Yabang.
Magtrabaho na daw tayo. Sabi ni Sir ano.
Okay, sa mic, sa ano.
Si Sir Estaniero.
Next month na lang.
Alam niyo na. Congrats po. Grabe, ang daming tao. So, may nakita kaming sa daming beses kong nakarating dito sa PICC, ngayon ko lang nakita itong spot na to. Ayan. O, diba? Ngayon ko lang nakita. Hello! Saan na tayo?
Labas na yan. Layo ng park. Gabi na.
Saan na tayo pupunta? Yun lang talaga inaabangan ko eh. Bye PICC. Ano kaya ang next na dahilan para pumunta ako dito? So ayun nga, hindi ko na talaga kinakausap ng maayos at matino buong araw. Grabe. Kailan nyo ba ito mapapanood? Ito na naman tayo eh. But anyway, we are so very very happy right now. Kasi ayun, official na. Ganap na. Yung ID na lang talaga kulang. Ang galing deja vu. Parang dito rin kami nag-parking nung graduation namin. So, ayun na nga. We are officially civil agent. Natawa ka kanina. Sa mga messages ng nung board. And finally nakita na namin sila Sir Dakay, Ma'am Paxi, tsaka Sir Estaniero. Kasi dati pictures na yun. So, sila yung artista para sa amin. Yan. Sa artista level sila. So, yung pagkakakilala namin sa kanila. And, yeah. Mukha pa akong masaya. So, tayo ngayon ay lalakad. Buti na lang talaga pang hapon kami. Kasi, kung hindi tirik yung araw, ngayon. Pero hindi. So, ito yung ating outfit check. And, makikita nyo naman siya sa Instagram. So, see you na lang sa next part, which is dinner yata kasi meron ding may birthday sa amin. So, it's a double celebration. Let's go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Blow the candle. Blow.
Vlog. Diba, iba naman, lagi ka sa kayo thank you. Mami, dito ka! Habang mo si Mami sa vlog.
Teka, siya dyan.
Kasya na kayo ha, Diyan kayo.
Ayun lang guys, bye-bye.
Kailangan pa